A high wind warning is in effect for portions of north central Montana beginning tonight and continuing through tomorrow evening. This high wind event will be a normal high wind event for Montana, so not nearly as strong or as widespread as what we dealt with during the day yesterday, but still gusts up to 65 miles per hour will be possible in the warning area, with gusts up to 75 miles per hour possible along the Rocky Mountain front. Today the wind was significantly weaker than it was yesterday, but it was still breezy, especially in western portions of north central Montana. The wind is going to increase from west to east as we go through tonight, with widespread windy conditions expected during the second half of tonight and tomorrow morning. 15 to 35 mile per hour sustained winds in a lot of locations. Gusts over 70 miles per hour will be possible along the Rocky Mountain front, while we could see widespread gusts over 45, even over 50 miles per hour out across the plains. As we head into tomorrow afternoon and evening, that's when that wind will begin to diminish from north to south. And the wind tomorrow will be coming out of the west or the southwest in most locations. On the Great Falls Clinic ICANN, we have had mostly cloudy to overcast skies for the entire day today. There is some snow in the western half of the state right now, and a few snow showers are beginning to develop east of I-15 in north central Montana, but most of us have been dry throughout the day. Still a lot of moisture throughout the Pacific Northwest right now as that atmospheric river continues to stream moisture into the northwestern U.S. As we go through tonight, snow eventually mixing with rain is likely along the Continental Divide and the Rocky Mountain front. Out across the plains, a few snow showers are possible this evening and early tonight. Most of us will be dry. As we head into the second half of tonight, there will be some scattered rain, freezing rain and snow, especially along the eastern half of the high line. And light snow and ice accumulations will be possible in this part of the state later tonight and tomorrow morning. So roads will likely be slick along the eastern half of the high line. Use extreme caution if you are going to be traveling anywhere. Tomorrow morning, a mixture of rain and snow is likely around the Helena area and along the Rocky Mountain front. Out across the plains in north central Montana, a lot of us will be dry tomorrow, but there will be a few rain and snow showers around, generally in southern portions of north central Montana as well as along the Rocky Mountain front. We're also going to have partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the day tomorrow. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the Rocky Mountain front until 6 p.m. tomorrow. 2 to 6 inches of snow is possible at and below pass level, and that includes Marias Pass and Rogers Pass, while up to 10 inches of snow is possible above mountain pass level. And then in northeastern Montana, winter weather advisory is in effect from early tonight through tomorrow morning for up to an inch of snow and a light glaze of ice. So again, use extreme caution if you are going to be traveling anywhere in northeastern Montana overnight tonight as well as tomorrow morning. The bulk of the snow accumulation with this system will be in the higher terrain, specifically in the Rockies. Out across the plains, little to no snow accumulation is expected for most of us. Low temperatures tonight will range from the single digits in northeastern Montana to the 30s in central Montana. These lows will occur early tonight with rising temperatures throughout the night. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 30s and the 40s, but these highs will occur during the morning with falling temperatures throughout the day.